Hey besties, you're welcome to this channel. If you're new on this channel, you are super duper welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. So on today's hairstyle tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I made this beautiful inner weaving for myself. Guys, you can make this from the comfort of your sofa. It's really simple, okay? It's not as complicated as we think, okay? Just follow this. It's a detailed inner weaving tutorial, okay? Just take a seat and patiently watch the video. If you've got any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help out, okay? So just see what I just did. I just turned my back. From the back, you just pick two hairs, two strands or two peak of your hair, and then try to bring the one from the center, okay? Just follow exactly how I did this. Like you pick from the right or left and then pick from the middle. Just be doing it like that until you are going up. Now you do it a bit by bit, just bit by bit. You don't pack everything. Now because it's a full hair, I picked from the middle first before I went to the ear side of my hair. If you watch, because the hair is much, you don't want to pack everything at once, so you don't leave tracks, you don't leave some unmade hairs, okay? So you just want to pick it from the side first, from the inside, then cover from the side, okay? While you're watching this video, I would want to just take you along what we do on this page. So on this page, this is what we do on this page. Part of what we do on this page. This is Priceless Kitchen and Lifestyle. Here I share amazing recipes I make for my family besties. You don't want to miss this out. You just want to go to the page and have a good look at all the recipes I made there for my family, and I decided to share. Why not sharing with my besties? Yes, because I value you all, okay? On this channel, you'll be seeing nothing but value, okay? I promise to give you all value. There must be one thing you'll be taking home from any video I upload on this channel. All you just have to do for me in return is like, comment and share. If you've not subscribed, you hit the subscribe buttons because you don't want to miss the uploads, okay? So yes, we make a lot of dishes ranging from Nigerian dishes, African dishes, English dishes, different cuisines you will see on this channel, okay? So you just want to take your time, go through the page, watch those videos, and yes, the hairstyle you're watching now is part of the lifestyle session of this channel. So it's basically Priceless Kitchen and Lifestyle. So I share amazing cooking tips, cooking videos, cooking tutorials, and as well hairstyle tutorials, because I like doing my hairs myself. I do my hair myself. I style my hair myself. I do that of my daughter myself. So sometimes I will just video them and share with my besties, which is you, okay? So that's why you see some of these hairstyles on this page, and as well as some of our daily vlogs or things we just do at home, just maybe some fun things I just wanted to catch fun or ease up your stress today, don't worry, this page is just somewhere you just come and relax, okay? No toxicity here, nothing to make you upset, okay? It's just somewhere you have to learn, unlearn, and relearn, okay? The journey of life is all about learning. I am learning, you are learning, okay? So see this page as one of those pages you would learn for free. Nothing, you're not paying anything for learning on this page. It's totally free, okay? So, and then don't forget, I will entertain your questions. It must not be just this video. Go have a look at other videos we've uploaded on this page, okay? Whichever question you've got, drop it, okay? Even if it's old videos, I will definitely answer you. And hey, if you've not clicked the subscribe button, look at this beautiful hair. Don't you want to see more of this? Don't you want to encourage me to do more of this for you? The only way you can encourage me is just by clicking the subscribe button, like, comment, and share it. And by so doing, you are encouraging me to share more of these amazing hairstyles. I know a lot of hairstyles I can do and send and share with you all. So just encourage me, just a little push at my back and I will do it, okay? I love you all, besties. I will see you so much in the next one. Bye bye. Say bye, besties.
Bye, bestie. Bye bye.